Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim codes for the new Valentine's update, like the code items. You are just going to open up codes here, and then the first one is Cupid's Cloud, which I've already redeemed. You only have until March 1st. So go here and you can basically select this one. It's this cloud, which is pretty cool. You can change the color of the flowers and stuff like that. The second one is Ella, so just type in Ella and press redeem, and it's this cute skirt. I actually really like the long skirt vibe here. Let me just remove this so you guys can see the skirt in its like true form. I actually really like this. I'm just going to make it so it's the same color as the rest. Well, kind of. Maybe like that. I don't know, but it's super cute. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!